Jamaican man they do. Stop.
Stop.
So most of Jamaican women when
Brother, me did that Jamaica beer. But till you come to push that. Beer come out it's so fucking tough. You wonder how you tough. But that beer
the older you get, I better you send
the
it.
more mature you get, bro.
So as you can see from the intro, this video is a little bit different. However, it is still funny. I believe I recorded that video January 26, 2024. That's like 6 months before I started this channel. Clips of the podcast was posted on my other channel. But I was going through my phone, searching for the video, then I recognized, yo, me delete the podcast itself, but I found these clips and I find them very funny. I'm gonna say, let's share them over here. So this first clip, I'm a homeboy and I talk about bun.
You want to tell you what, go on to blood camp, probably end up go kill you.
That is the reason. Me not dig it.
Don't tell him, brother.
That is the reason.
Brother, yeah,
me know. I go behind the scenes. Me have female friends.
Whole
five of them, they have. None of them have one man. Out of female friends that me have, none of them have one man. One have around in a rotation. You know, say one have 3, one have 2. None of them have one man.
Yeah.
Me write this up on Facebook one time and some girl get vexed. Me say, me friend of Jamaican dog. Yo,
Brother.
I never deal with a Jamaican woman who wasn't cheating. It's either she was cheating with me or she was cheating on me. Let me say that again, dog. Me never deal with a Jamaican woman who wasn't cheating.
It's like she was cheating with you or cheating on you.
Okay then.
A fucks, brother.
That is my story. And I'm sticking to it.
Say fuck, brother, the way them girl, I'm afraid them girl go.
I can start stressed out, dog. Mama now give a bun, man. Not for Don't go searching for you can't manage. Okay, leave it alone.
Leave everything alone.
Leave it alone.
Rather not know. I will tell her that. Now I tell no lie, me know some man of Bex and bend up their face when they hear this year. But sometimes I prefer a woman that give you the pussy, you know, yeah? No moment to it. Prefer someone who don't know. Now all that way,
song name again.
He prefer someone who don't know.
Yeah, play the Dexter Dapsa.
You understand? He prefer someone who don't know, man. I swear. He prefer someone who don't know about Bumbuck.
Dexter Dapsa have one song say, she's like fire. She burn him like a lighter.
Cheat and you cheat too.
But
Alright. Everybody give bun. Don't. Except my subscribers. We are faithful people over here. My subscribers and I. Yeah? The next clip now from the podcast. I'm a homeboy. I tell a few stories. This man, a man liner. The man lied on Buttercat. The man lied on Peanut Dread. The man lied on Johnny. I lies thing pan God hurt, man. Anyways, watch and enjoy. Like and share.
I'm home. That time I evening when she leave work, you know. She don't do her work and everything. And she go home and she call me and she said, me just reach home and I say, I say, I can't think about me. She said, boy, I have one thing with you. Your stamina fantastic. Your stamina, brother. Brother, me say, brother, me make the big one run from one part of the house to the next part of the house.
I say I deal with it.
Oh, man. And now, she come from the island, the worst, no, man.
Yeah.
You understand? She come from the island, say, worst, nice, strong, every
so, I'm glad it goes this up. Because women are complaining, say, then, like, let me see, statistics show, say, 80% of women who are sexually active have never had an orgasm, never come in their life.
Yes, that's how me realize. And when me tell you something, when I come to America and meet my bumbo clap beer mother, and she tell me, say, you know, say a lot of women in a life have sex and don't have an orgasm. I say, girl, me have to just till you come, because if you don't come, me not feel like me, please.
Which is right.
She say yes to you. I say, of course. I say, how you mean? But that's something, yes, me know, say, especially in America. Especially in
If you say
America.
Jamaican women, they hardly come because most
Yeah,
things
but they don't really
Jamaican
know
man they
about-
do are stop.
Stop.
So
Ah!
most of Jamaican women when
But I remember that Jamaica beer. Until you come to lad. Beer top out there, it's so fucking top. You wonder how you top. But that beer
the
top.
older you get,
The
I
more-
better you sitting there.
The more mature you get, bro.
Yeah, and the better you
More
become a
sexual
pleasing woman
activity.
sexually.
Yeah, bro.
So as a youngster, you just gonna stop and you want the woman to run because guess what? When you're up on the corner, that's the man them talk about. Is it? And you understand? Hardcore sex and make girl run. So you as a youngster now, when you start have sex, that's all you try to do.
Free.
You see me?
Bro, I try to show you, say, bro, sometime, bro. One time, one woman already in a man, and the woman really get up out of the couch and the street and brother. Get up out of the couch and say, no, sir. You can't make your auntie come catch me in that I'm an auntie friend. You know what she see the video? Boy, they gonna get me, but boy, I have to tell her choke, boy. Good.
Dog, you really name drop it, woman. Me have to edit that.
Of course, edit it out. Oh, crap, boy. See that the pussy car me at Japan, so me get to book brother for me young, that's how me stay na man. Big woman them just love me for me young, brother.
Cause you know act your ear, dog, you act like you're older than your ear.
I'm older, yo. Sleep on my yard already na man,
Yeah, put it gun.
my bumbuckler,
Inside.
my buckler. I'll give you a story. Can't even call. Make certain things I can't even say to because we don't know who gonna watch my video. You understand? Just come from America. Yeah, just come from America. Just come from Jamaica to pussy clad.
Yeah.
Just forward from yard and fresh off a boat and stay so boom and you know my father house.
Hold on, a boat you come up on, dog?
No, boat come up on my youth. But you know they just come right there to fresh off of the boat. Long story short, brother. Just reach over brother and own a room and everything and stepmother have a friend. My friend come over there for come babysit with.
What was the age? How old were you? What your age, dog, at the time?
15!
Jesus Christ, woman a pedophile.
15 and the woman a bumbo clap, bro. I think I think you can't even call her name, but I think such and such when it around 39 or 38.
I think you tell me this story.
Yeah.
Long time so. Yeah, but carry on.
Yes, brother, so still my book, brother. When she called me, she called me 2 times.
Now the next clip is of a beautiful queen. I think my other video that was posted today has this clip as well, but because this podcast was basically surrounded by sexual topics, me decided if I just add this over here. She talk about backers and why Jamaican men love backers so.
Why do most men harbor such an obsessive love for backers? Backers. In the past 4 days, I've heard men speak about backers multiple times. One on his phone. Oh, me think say never did I go answer your phone because your man have your pan a backers. The next man I relay something to him, brethren. Yo, me did have her pan a wicked backers in a dog. I think it's the least intimate position. I know it is the least intimate position. You can't see the person's face. You can't, hold and caress. Why can't I hear a man speaking about a sexy or a wicked missionary, a bad lizard lap, a wicked foot pan shoulder? Why is it always about the backers? Why?
All right. She made some valid point. And I'll just say, most men can't sex. It's that simple. And because of our ego, we fail to ask women what they want. We think we know what every woman wants. And it doesn't work like that. You have to feel out the woman body. You have to also ask. Ain't nothing wrong. You see me I say? Because the Bible says, ask and it shall be given. Well, ask so you can please. And sex is not really for us. It's for the women. because it takes a lot to get them aroused and it takes a lot to get them climax. Us, we just want be there. We gonna climax. So men, sex is for the women. Cause we gonna nut regardless. You see me? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the podcast. Let me know if I should do more of these, and I'll just create another channel to do podcasts and other stuff like that, because I want to keep this channel how it has been going. Me grateful of every one of you guys subscribing, watching and supporting. You understand? YouTube will give me a fight, but regardless, thanks for watching. Just like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell please, and share the video on your Facebook, share it on your Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Bluetooth, everywhere. Respect. Stay safe. God bless.